Now again the question arises, my dear students, like what if you don't know how to calculate the equivalent weight, then how will you calculate the gram equivalents of the solute? So for that what we do, we again apply a simple formula of equivalent weight. Equivalent weight, the formula of equivalent weight is equals to molecular weight upon n factor. That is why I think that normality is having a different aspect. It is very difficult to calculate, because what we have to do, we have to know each and everything before calculating normality. Like you just want to know what is n factor, then from n factor you calculate the equivalent weight, from equivalent weight you calculate the gram equivalents of the solute, and then you apply gram equivalents, and then you calculate the normality. Now my dear students, again there is a very different fundamental object to calculate the n factor. Now our next term to calculate normality is to know in-depth knowledge about n factor. So my dear students, n factor is calculated in three different aspects according to which I teach. Like first of all, we calculate n factor in three different terminologies. Like first of all, we calculate n factor in terms of acid-base reactions. Then we calculate n factor in terms of redox reactions, and lastly we calculate n factor in terms of salt analysis. Okay, so let's discuss different terms about these three factors to calculate the normality. Okay, so let's discuss these three factors. So are you understanding all these concepts? So we will discuss in a very easy way. You need not to worry about all these things. You just have to focus and watch this video. Now let's start with some acid-base relationships. So this is acid-base relationship, and in-depth knowledge